Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are exploring a fascinating concept in three-dimensional space called skew lines. While you might know about parallel and intersecting lines, skew lines are a unique third category that only exists when we step out of the flat world and into three dimensions. Before we dive in, let us quickly review what happens on a flat surface or a 2D plane. Usually, we have two options. 1. Lines are parallel, meaning they travel in the exact same direction and never touch. Or 2. They intersect, crossing at a specific point. On a flat piece of paper, these are your only choices. But the real world is not flat. When we add height, width, and depth, we enter the third dimension. This additional space creates room for lines to behave differently. We are no longer stuck on a single sheet of paper. This brings us to the definition of skew lines. Skew lines are pairs of lines that satisfy two specific conditions. First, they do not intersect. Second, and this is the important part, they are not parallel. They simply bypass each other entirely. How is this possible? The secret is that skew lines are non-coplanar. Coplanar means existing on the same plane or flat surface. Skew lines never share the same plane. Imagine one line drawn on the floor and another line drawn on the ceiling. They exist in different layers of space. The easiest way to visualize this is using a cube. Look at the red line on the bottom front edge. Now look at the blue line on the back right vertical edge. The red line goes left to right. The blue line goes up and down. They are not touching, but they are clearly not parallel either. It is crucial to understand why they are not parallel. Parallel lines must travel in the exact same direction. Skew lines travel in completely different directions, like east versus north. Because they are on different levels, they never get the chance to cross paths. A perfect real-world example is a highway overpass. Imagine a red car driving east on the ground level and a blue car driving north on a bridge above it. Their paths cross, but because of the height difference, the cars never collide. These roads are acting as skew lines. Let us summarize the relationships. Intersecting lines share a plane and meet. Parallel lines share a plane but do not meet. Skew lines are the rebels, they do not share a plane, and they never meet. They are completely independent of each other. To wrap up, skew lines are non-intersecting, non-parallel, and non-coplanar. Next time you see a bridge crossing over a road or contrails in the sky at different altitudes, remember that you are looking at geometry in action. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.